if you haven't heard, guys, MT4 and MT5 has been removed from Apple Store, and also MT5 has been removed from all US regulated brokers. Now there are panics everywhere. People are panicking and are confused, basically getting very worried about their funds in their accounts, right? But if your funds basically are in your broker account and not your MT4, so they should be safe, right? So there's really no cause for any kind of alarm or panic, unless you're using a broker that is unregulated and that may have some sort of connection with Russia and what's going on with the war and all of that. Then I suggest that this might be the right time for you to start pulling out your funds, as we don't know what will happen. So basically MT4 is no longer available in the App Store. So if you have an MT4 currently on your iOS device, you should definitely not delete that app. Or if you get a new device and you want to download the app, you may not be able to get that. So you might just resort to getting an Android phone or use the other options that are available for you to trade. Remember, guys, the MT4 platform is just an enabling device that helps us to connect to the market and it helps us execute our trades. They don't hold our funds in any way, right? So if you're probably you just got a new phone and you want to get started with MT4, then I suggest that you get an Android phone, or in the subsequent video I'm going to make some alternative ways that you can actually get the message trader 4 on your phone, but I'm not going to be doing that in this video. All right, so a lot is actually happening behind the scenes as to why we're having this kind of issues right now with iOS and MT4, right? So apparently the CEO of MetaCodes, that is the company that controls both MT4 and MT5, has been helping the Russian oligarchs move money out of Russia into other countries. So a lot of thoughts towards this as a possible reason why that the MT5 is under the control of the Russians, right? So this actually sounds like a conspiracy, but this is some of the reasons, the fundamentals behind what is actually going on. And as we know, the Russian currency is currently surging high, right? So let's check this out. Ruble surges 2 months higher as demand for cash explodes. So basically, most of the citizens of Russia are currently withdrawing cash, physical cash, from Russian banks and fleeing the country. So this is actually causing a really high surge in the market for the particular currency. Let's get to the chart and let me show you guys what that looks like, right? So look at the chart for RUB/BUSD. So you can see right here that this chart has actually been ranging. This is a daily time frame, and from this range, breaking out of this range, you can see this is also happening in the US, surging to the index, where that is still saying that US dollar is actually surging, while we're seeing very high the surge for this cash going on and on. But this really has nothing to do with your funds, guys. So just in case you're still scared of something, then I don't think you should be, because your funds are practically safe in your broker's account, right? So basically we just talked about the MT4 being removed from iOS. MT5 has been removed also from all US brokers, a regulated broker, right? And the alternative, or the best solution for you right now, if you are an iOS user, is to just get an Android phone dedicated for your trading, because some of us, we have multiple accounts that we trade, so you may not be able to do all of that on just one device. You might have multiple devices you're using, right? So it shouldn't be much of a problem. There are definitely ways that you can walk around this, and at the end of the day, we're gonna be all good, right? So guys, I'm gonna be dropping more updates about this. Make sure you like and follow me, please, so you can get more updates when I drop as regards this particular situation and what is happening with everything, and hopefully everything turns back to normal, and we iOS users don't have anything to worry about in case they just lose your phone or something. All right, guys, so this is it on this particular video. Just remember to drop a like on this video and also drop a comment, guys. So I'm going to be dropping more information as I get them and they roll out. All right, guys, see you in the next video. Bye for now.